Welcome to another video from H2NexGen. My name is Christopher, and in this video I'll be sharing with you the range of product we have, which is these three you're looking at here. I'll also be sharing generally how it works and what are the components inside each of these products. So to start off, we have three range of this product, and each of these product is classified by different colors and also different application purposes. So for this green one, the product name is actually called Ultimate Cell, and for this green one, it is for truck and generator engine. I'm not sure you can see it. So this device is suitable for truck engine and also generator, which we have been using. We have installed actually in a couple of trucks for our customers, and also generator set for our customers. And then this black one is for car engine. So this one is application for cars. Then we have this one is boat engine. So this one, blue color one, is for boats. Inside this this device is not very big actually. I'm not so sure. This is my mouse. I'm using a compare, so it's quite small relative to a mouse. It's quite small. And inside this device here, there's an electrolysis. So I'm sure most of you will be familiar with electrolysis process. When electricity passes through, and inside they'll generate hydrogen. The way it operates is that when hydrogen is being generated, it will then get transferred. This is the output point of the hydrogen, and then we'll have a hose towards the intake point. The intake point is usually before the turbo and after the air filter. So that's the intake point we usually tap in for the hydrogen to be mixed with the air and to be transferred into the combustion engine, where it works its magic there.